Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check backup codes for your Instagram ID. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Instagram profile and select the profile on bottom right, select it and select the three straight lines on top of your right screen. And now go to account centers here, and now go to password and security under account settings, and here go two-factor authentication, click it here and go to Instagram profile. And now here you can see text message. You will send a code into my phone number every time someone want to log in. But to check the code for Instagram, go to additional method here and select backup codes here. And here are some of the code that you need to logging to your Instagram account. So keep that private and keep it safe from other person. So you might able to log in with this password, with this code onto other device. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next